everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 7th to the 11th of February 2022 on Monday. Sbonelo confronting Nonka about tipping off the police. Meanwhile, Pastor Kwala pulls all her heartstrings. She needs to do the right thing. Njeza struggles with his memories of abusing Nosipo on Tuesday. Pastor Kwala makes a startling discovery when he's given a tip off that could finally bring his brother down for good. Patrick Shai continued to cancel a Njeza or a broken Njeza through his trauma. Mr. Mbata finds himself in a sinking sand when Babegazi's next mission lands him in an Inyanga's consulting room on Wednesday. Pastor Kwala looks at using someone close to Sbonelo to help bring him down. Nosipo receives a surprise message from Njeza that leaves her speechless. A guilty-ridden Nonka finds it hard to celebrate the distillery's completion on Thursday. Nosipo comes face-to-face with her abuser. Sbonelo subtly threatened Nonka about running her mouth to Pastor Kwala. Babegazi and Mr. Mbata suddenly get cold feet on Friday. Sbonelo warns Nonka that she will lose the dream if she continues to meet with Pastor Kwala, and Njeza receive forgiveness from Nosipo. Kapsile wants Babegazi to get out of town, but Babegazi make it clear she isn't going anywhere. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.